Hi friends, this is Parun and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the method of preparing Thandai syrup, which is very tasty than market as well as in low cost. First of all, I have taken a vessel and added 1 cup of rose petals in it. This is dry petal. You can also add fresh petals, but please increase the quantity for fresh one. Then half cup of cashew nuts, half cup of almonds and half cup of pistachios, half cup of khaskhas and half cup of magaj seeds. I am also adding 4 spoon fennel seeds, 20 elaichi, 1 spoon black pepper. Now add water and wash it properly 4 to 5 times. Like this. You have to repeat the same process 4 to 5 times. As all the ingredients contain so much dust particles, so we have to strain it off. After that, I am going to add water again. And we have to cover it with the lid for 6 hours. After 6 hours, just have a look, it is ready. As our ingredients become soft and petals also extracted the color. Just check it. It is very soft now. Now we have to strain the whole mixture with the help of a strainer. Now we have to grind it with the help of same extracted water. Have a look. Just add 2 to 3 spoons of ingredients in a jar of a grinder. And add little bit of water. Just have a look, we need a fine paste. After that, strain the paste also. Because we need very fine particles. Just have a look. All the big particles are separated now. All the peel off covers are also separated. Our whole material is 4 glass in measurement. So I am going to add sugar in it. As it is 4 glass, so I am going to add 8 glass of sugar in it. Just have a look. This is 8 glass of sugar. Just pour the material and mix them once. It is little bit harder to mix, but just mix it. After that, take a vessel and put it on a medium flame so that sugar got melted completely. Now I am going to add 2 cups of mishri on it. If you don't want to add mishri, you can increase the quantity of sugar, but I am adding 2 cups of mishri here. Mix it well. Our flame is medium to high here. It is at boiling temperature now. Have a look, as our flame is high. After that I am going to add 1 spoon of kesar in it. Mix it well, it gives a very nice color. Plus taste to our thandai. Now our flame is medium. After 5 to 10 minutes, now I am going to add yellow food color on it to get a very good color of our thandai. Now after 20 to 25 minutes, just have a look to the color and texture of our thandai. After 25 minutes, we have to check the sugar syrup. We need 1 string syrup here. Just check it out. Yes, it is ready. Now I am going to close the flame and let it be cool down completely. We have to store it in a glass container when it cools down. Now I am going to show you the method of preparing thandai. For that we need a very chill milk. I am going to take a 2.5 glass of sugarless milk in a jar of a mixer. And add 3 spoons of thandai in it. After that, grind it for 1 minute only. It is ready now. I am going to decorate it with some dry fruits and rose petals. Serve it chill. It is very yummy. Give it a try. Hope you like the video. Share it with your friends and close ones. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.